Welcome all. Today I am here to discuss role and importance of mathematics in engineering. I am UV Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Vignyan's Foundation for Science, Technology and Research. So, you may have noticed that mathematics is given importance and more weightage during your preparation for competitive exams for getting admission into engineering, like MSET, IIT, JEE, and so on. So, why mathematics is important for engineer? What actually an engineer has to do? What is engineering? So, as an engineer, one have to design, build, improve, operate and maintain complex devices, systems and process and so on. So, suppose you are a automobile engineer, then your job will be to maintain automobiles like cars, bikes. Suppose you want to design a new bike, you want to introduce a new bike into the market. So what you have to do, if you want to introduce a new bike into the market, first you have to design a new product. Design of your bike should be new, and next you need to build it. You have to build the bike in such a way that it performs well, it performs better than the previous versions, it performs better than the existing different bikes available in the market. So after doing that, you need to test it whether it is reaching the goals what you have put before you starting this designing or introducing a new bike. So after testing that, and you have to improve the model what you have already made based on the feedback taken from the stakeholders who are participated in testing this model or new bike you have designed. After doing that, you need to improve the one, and then you have to release the same into the market. After releasing this product into the market, so your customers may purchase this, you may have large number of customers, and you have to assist them for maintaining and operating the model you have released into the market. So not only automobile engineer, but also as a software engineer, you want to develop a new software. As a software engineer, you want to develop a new smart mobile phone operating system. So when you are when you are developing a new operating system, you should design it in a way such that it is user friendly. You have to build a user interface, a graphical user interface suitable for latest and upcoming trends, and then you have to improvise it based on the feedback given by the users, and then you also have to operate and maintain that software through customer services like that. So these are all the things you have to do as an engineer, and when you want to do all those engineering tasks, you need mathematics. So how you design a thing, how you design a bike, how you design a car, how you develop a software, all these requires knowledge of mathematics. And when you are thinking about automobiles and others, you also need concepts of physics. See, an engineer has to use science and math to come up with a practical solution to the problems. Why do we need mathematics in engineering? So do you have such question? Why do we need mathematics in engineering? So engineers requires in-depth knowledge of mathematics, physics and computer applications. Yes, we will see some real-time applications of mathematics. See, in this picture we are looking at many things like a person is counting money. That means counting is a part of your day-to-day life. During July and August season of every year, shopping malls announce discounts. So you have to judge which shopping mall is giving you good discount so that you can get a maximum benefit out of that. It comes into mathematics. Stock market completely based on mathematics. Foreign exchange, pattern recognizing, measurements and estimations, many more are there in our day-to-day life in which we are using mathematics even without our knowledge that we are using mathematics. So see some more examples. So trigonometry used to find the heights and distances of hills, peaks of the mountains. This is a galaxy. This is sunflower. This is a section of cone. So all these resembles, all these represents, and all of these can be modeled through Fibonacci series. So similarly, see here, a biker wants to jump a long distance at a certain height. So you may say that it will be through practice, but do you risk through practice? You have to do, if you want to know at what speed you have to jump, and if you want to identify that through practice, so how many times you will fall from this height. So you should have a idea at what height you have to leave this peak so that you can reach here safely. Yes or no? So for that you should have proper mathematical knowledge, proper understanding of what speed is to be maintained. Similarly, see a problem of a player. The player wants to throw a goal into the basket, and at what angle he or she has to throw the ball so that it reaches the basket correctly. So here the solution as per mathematics is given. So similarly, it is one of the important things that differentiation helps in tracking the target of missiles. Differentiation helps in firing fixed targets, and using transforms, mathematical transforms, you can improvise blurred images. Using integration, you can calculate areas of irregular shapes, and many more applications are there. And it is also there in nature. See, the trajectory taken by a predator when it is catching its prey, when it is chasing its prey, is not straight line. It balances its force, its speed, and it takes a path in such a way that it can change its path at that speed at any time along with the prey. So when prey turns to right, predator can also turns to right. If prey turns to left, predator can also turns to left and catch the prey as quick as possible. Just as shown in the figure here, the tiger or the eagle, they are not taking their paths as straight lines. Their trajectories are different, and which can be calculated through mathematics. Even honeybees know mathematics in their brain. They can estimate at what rate they have to fill the honeycomb so that they can fill this before the next new moon day. Like this, mathematics there is in nature. Mathematics is there in a human instinct, and we need to improve it further, and we need to use this further along with concepts of science, along with concepts of physics, so that the mathematical models developed by you are useful for engineering society. Thank you.